Having a smart home in Liberia is crazy. It's doable because I have a smart home, but it's challenging and it's crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marcia Sumo and this is On Review, a channel where we figure out ways to live a beautiful life in Liberia. So today I'm coming to you from my unfinished kitchen because I thought we were going to be using the TV on the wall, but apparently not. Alexa has a big enough screen that we can use. Yesterday I started to film the unboxing and I did it late, so it got dark. I'll put that footage in to this one and you will see where we left off. Let me just give you a brief history about my journey to AI. I first got introduced to artificial intelligence through my iPhone. That was way back in 2011, and I love Siri. I remember one time I think I insulted her or something, and she said that I hope you don't kiss your mom with that mouth. And it was so intriguing to me, and I got so curious about artificial intelligence and all the things that AI can do for us. I got introduced to Alexa back in 2017. Same time I was building the house. So I decided, let me do a smart home in Liberia. Having a smart home in Liberia is crazy. It's doable because I have a smart home, but it's challenging and it's crazy. That's why I'm here. I can show you how I achieve my smart home. I believe I have 50% of what I really want, but the thing is, the more you know that you don't know. So without wasting your time, let's go to the unboxing. Then we'll come back to how I set her up. So this is the box that the Echo Show comes in. Forget the damage on the side, I did that. And in the back, there's a tab that you have to rip in order to get into the box.
Perfect.
Once you're in the box, the Echo Show is packaged like that. And the only other thing in the box is the charger. You should know that this Echo Show doesn't have a battery, so you cannot use it without this charger. So when we open that, you have the quick start guide, which you don't need. Everything you will ever need to know about the Echo Show is on this screen. You need a charger to charge it up. It has a 10-inch screen, and in the back it has a network port and the charging port. Above it, it has 3 buttons: the increase button, decrease button, and the mute button. Let's start her up in order to start the setup. Let me give you a disclaimer. I have 3 Alexa presently working in my home already. Setting up the Echo Show 2nd generation was a breeze because I already have the app and I've been using it for about a year and a half. And this Echo Show just connected to whatever devices I had already on my app. So when you first start her up, or when you plug her, this is what you see. She starts do whatever she wants to do and asks for your language. Speak English, so I chose that. Ask for your network. It's connecting. And this is the registration area. I already have an account, so it's a breeze for me, but this is where you will create your own account if you don't have Amazon account. Alright, she recognizes my account. It's loading now. She asking what kind of English should she recognize. Now if they had Kolokwa, I would have chosen Kolokwa. This is the address section. She's asking now which room you prefer your Echo Show. I had already named her Mary in my phone, so she's Mary. This is for display your wallpaper. She's loading. Play. This will give you the instruction on how to use Amazon Echo Show 2nd generation. They're trying to sell me audiobook, and I don't want that. They'll try to sell you all kinds of things when you're starting off first, and that's it. That's to change the brightness and other settings. She has the settings there for you to customize your device. Hey guys, that was yesterday's video, and today is all about demonstration. We will start with some of the things that we know she can do in Liberia. That is play music, give you the weather and all that. I have a lot of friends who got the Echo Dot and the bigger one, but they use it only as speaker and sometimes ask for the time and the weather. So we will do that, and then I will show you some of the other things that she does in the house. So watch out for videos on things that you will need to start a smart house in Liberia. Also review of my equipment and challenges. When I started, the challenges that I had, you guys will not understand. Let's jump in. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Paynesville, it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has thunderstorms with a low of 78 degrees.
Alexa, play me a video of On Review with Marcia Sumo on YouTube.
Searching YouTube.
So you see, the first thing that came up is On Review page for you to subscribe. Then 2 of my videos and somebody else's video down there, but it's my page for you to subscribe. So when you hit this one, this is my page, so you see all my videos and everything down here. Okay, she's good at finding stuff on YouTube. My TV show my Prime videos, but all my Alexa products got problems with Prime being in Liberia, so I don't know. So if I want to watch a Prime video, I either watch it on my phone or I watch it on my Samsung TV. Alexa, turn off sync light. Alexa, turn on the frame. The frame is the TV back there. So she just turned that on. Alexa, turn off the frame. What I noticed for every one of them that got display, apart from the one that's connected to the TV, but everyone that got display, when she turns something off, she will show you that you can manually put it on with your hands if you want. Like I just put the light back on, or I tap it and I cut it off. Alexa, show me who's at my front door.
Okay.
So that's my front door camera. Show me the front yard.
Did you mean front side?
I mean front gate.
Okay.
Lock front door.
Locking. Hang on. The front door is locked.
Alexa, unlock front door.
What's your voice code for front door? Unlocking. Hang on. The front door is unlocked.
Let me tell you some of the things that she does for the house. My washer dryer, I have it set up in my phone already, so I tell her to start a cycle when I want to, and she does that. She also tells my D-bot to start cleaning, and you know, when you're away, nobody home, you cut your generator off and all that stuff. So my D-bot is already set to start cleaning 12 o'clock in the day, whether I'm here or not. It runs on battery. Now that we're home for the quarantine, I don't like the noise at 12 o'clock. So when I'm free and I'm up for it, I tell Alexa, tell D-bot to start cleaning, and she does that. Oh snap.
Okay, now your D-bot is cleaning.
I forgot to put her on mute. Now D-bot is cleaning. Alexa, tell D-bot to go back to its charging port.
Okay, now your D-bot is charging.
Now it's going back to its charging port. So let me just mute her before I call her name. So that's some of the things she does in the house. Apart from opening my door, locking my door, setting my alarm. When I don't have the chance to come out to set the alarm, I tell her, Alexa, arm my house or arm my home, and she does that for me. I have a few other things that she does every day that help me save time and money. Time is money, and once you're saving time, you save money. Hey guys, I hope that was educational for you all. If you have any question on how to start or build a smart home in Liberia or West Africa, you can hit me up. I will be sure to answer all your questions. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so you don't miss our videos every Friday. This is a channel where we figure out ways to live our beautiful life in Liberia. Be a part of our community and subscribe. I've had a few requests to do a house tour. Let's see how this video goes. If you guys want me to go more into how I started building a smart home, I will be sure to do that too. I don't know what I'm putting out next week, but be sure to watch Friday. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.